the same school?
He is my classmate.
15. Alright, let's see who's right. Come on, big boy.
What is the first number?
Number 1.
1.
We still have one more.
It
Come
should
on,
be
big boy.
87.
In your dreams, it's gonna be 87.
What is that?
It's number 15, everybody. Let's give it big round. Super awesome.
Do you want to know?
Bird show!
Good show.
We're gonna watch bird show.
Whoop 'em Gangnam style.
Done.
Yeah, Georgie. Look.
Pixelated. That one, oh, you can lean back.
Georgie. Whoop 'em Gangnam style. If you don't fall. Look, the parrot, the parrot. Georgie, look at the parrot. UAE flag.
Lusting and his hunger for power became known to more and more people. The demands to do something about this outrageous man became louder and louder.
Whoa. I'm sorry. You see him? Wow! Woo! There he is. Hi. Hello, buddy.
Hi, say hi, birdie.
Hello, parrot. Wow. You ready for the next one? Look, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes. He's gone back. Ready.
Let's go to hear you. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, so what are we waiting for? It's showtime.
Good job.
So feel the magic in the air because the stars of the show will come up to say hello to each one of you. Everybody clap your hands, come on. Let us welcome them. Not forgetting also to welcome our very own. His name is Andy.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Today we're gonna meet special birds. Each one of them has a beautiful color, exceptional talent. You can use your phones, make sure the flashes are off. This one is the second largest macaw. By the way, be careful. Move your back. This bird have a problem in the...
Oh dear.
Yeah. Look at him. He's gonna start doing this, and then after this he release it. That's so crazy. All right, let's welcome the second largest macaw.
Hey, here comes one, Georgie.
Here we go. No, he didn't do it today. Let's welcome Coco and Jack. Coco is the most intelligent parrot in the world with his best friend Jack, and they will do a lovely dance. Everybody, hands in the air. Let's cheer them on.
Wow. Look at this, bro.
Beautiful groove and a beautiful afternoon. It's been a while I didn't see your wife. This is total disaster.
What? Don't tell me that you can dance better than them.
Put something on, put something on. I'll show you dancing. Come on, everybody.
Ah, done. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up.
And then it goes faster. Faster, faster, faster.
dancing because they are laughing at you.
Who's left? How's my dancing?
Very good.
I had that much hope to go to Bollywood, that much. Now it's crashed. Coco, how was my dancing? Now it's destroyed. You know what? Dance some more. Come on. Lovely. Now everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Jack. Thank you, Jack. Oh my God, that's a nice flip-flop he did there. Fabulous. Thank you, buddy. This is the first bird he doesn't fly. Now, Coco can actually speak. Listen to this. Coco, do you want to say something in English? Arabic, sorry.
Coco, say hello in Arabic.
Wa alaikum salam. Yeah, they can speak. Something in English.
Coco, ask to everybody, how are you?
Nice. Coco, give me a sound of a cat.
Cat? Meow. Cat? Meow.
Cool. A sound of a dog.
Dog? Dog?
Coco, when you see a beautiful lady, what do you do? Yeah, chat the bird. Coco, do you want to sing a song? Did you see the Chiefs? Happy birthday to you, buddy. Happy birthday to you too. You too, buddy. All right, let's go. Basketball.
Loves to play Kuratsama.
Come on, everyone.
Wants to be a part of the NBA superstars like LBJ, LeBron James.
And also, he loves to play the puzzle. DJ, circle yellow.
The circle of his light and the color of the sun.
Triangle green.
Look at the surroundings and of course the nature.
And red.
Do you believe in love?
Unfortunately,
That is the colors of love. Look at my shares and the most expensive fruits ever.
Which one?
Blueberries.
Oh yeah. Let's go. 1,
Go ahead.
2,
Ignay.
3.
Talata.
Nice. Few days ago, I had a mother with her husband. True story. After mommy watched this part of the show, she decided to exchange her husband with the bird. Why? Check it why. Come on.
You know what, kids? Try to do this at home and your parents will be proud of you. Once you see some rubbish, you have to pick it up and put it in the trash bin,
I
alright?
told her mommy why. She said my husband very lazy. All he does sleep on the sofa. This one, when he used the toilet, he never forget close the seats. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Coco and thank you, Mimi. Alright. Now, the real acrobat of the bird show, his name is Jackie. Now, Jackie is a small bird and he is green in color, but they are called the red-shouldered macaw. Only when they fly, you're gonna see the beautiful color red. But first, I'm gonna need some kids to help me. Who's gonna do it? Buddy, come. Yella, you're gonna go next. Come. What's your name? Tram, stand here. Alright, buddy, look what I want from you. I want you to hold this in your hand like this, alright? Don't move your hand. Keep it steady. Jackie, coming out. Here comes big boy Jack. And fantastic! Super awesome. Thanks, buddy. Go.
You wanna do it?
Stand here. Alright. Ready? Hold this in your hands. Don't move it. Alright. Let's do it. There you go. Keep it steady. And fabulous! Super cool. Lovely. Yalla, who wants to come and try? Princess, come try.
Dorji, you wanna come?
Actually, for the adults, I'll have something different for you. I have something different for you. Come, Princess. I love the dress. Super cool. Hold this. Alright. Jackie. Fantastic! Thank you, Princess. Lovely, come. Oh my goodness, I love the dress. Put your hands up, don't move your hand. Keep it like this. And one more, he's tired. Yeah, I know. The bird is super tired. Imagine yourself doing like this the whole day. Go for it. Oh! Everybody. What's the words? لا تزخر. Today I learned a new word in Arabic. تزخر.
What's that mean?
Means hand like this. Alright, now Fatima, make your hand look like a cup. Do you know what's rule number 1? Alright, don't move your hand, keep it like this. Very nice, everybody, let's give her a big round of applause also. Come join me. Cool. Now these birds cannot fly for a long distance. I want you to look at them. Can you tell me which one is the boy, which one is the girl? Open your hand, open your right hand. Which one is the boy, which one is the girl? What do you think? Boy.
Girl.
How did you know this is the boy? You're right. The size. It's actually the size of the beak. The one with the big beak is the boy. The one with the small beak is the girl. And there is another theory. Second theory, the boys are more handsome than the girls.
And
Daddy said yeah, and with excitement, Daddy is going to sleep on the sofa tonight. Thank you so much, lovely. All right, everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Rio and Ria, and thank you, trainers. Now I'm gonna introduce you to my favorite girl. She come all the way from Australia, and I call her the White Angel.
Almanaku Abiad.
DJ, what did you say?
Almanaku Abiad, the White Angel.
This is same like Netflix. My subtitles in Arabic. Now, the White Angel doesn't come along. She come with her BFF.
Dio.
So let's welcome Sophie and
Dodo.
all right, DJ.
Yes.
Would you like to make a race?
Sure.
We're gonna divide each other into two teams.
I love it.
White and green. Which one you want?
Okay, let me try that side. Green.
Who wants to be with DJ with the green team? Raise your hands.
Yes, we are going to win. Yeah, huh?
Who wants to be with me with the white team?
No need you.
All right. Grab it, set, go. Rules.
Okay. What is the rule?
The one who finished last will be the winner.
The one who finishes last will be the winner. Come on, Green. Faster.
White team, come on, white
Come on,
team.
faster,
Let's choose
faster. Yes, we are going to win. Yeah! Green team is the winner. You know the rules.
Wait. Just pause a bit.
Okay.
Who won?
Of course, Green.
How green?
The rule is the one who finishes last will be the winner.
Who said the rules?
You.
But I never said the one who finished fast.
Yeah?
I was very specific.
Okay.
I said the one who finished last.
Last.
Last. Let's give a big round of applause to the white team.
What rule is that?
This is democracy, brother.
Okay.
Thank you, trainers. Lovely. All right. Have you ever seen a bird doing a painting before? Never. Yes, where? Don't tell me YouTube. YouTube, yeah? Where? Here. He got me on that one. Roll your cameras. This bird in the video, it's actually the same bird now. Roll your cameras all the way from Australia. Let's welcome Jean Picasso. Now, Jean Picasso is called the surfery cockatoos. These birds, they come in 4 different colors. They come in white, black, gray, and pink. All of them can live up to 80 years of age, except the one in black. The black palm cockatoo is the only bird who can live up to 100 years of age. Funny fact, they find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
Wow. Just like us, huh, brother?
What did you say?
Yes, just like humans.
I'll prove it. Baba, can you stay 100 years with one partner?
I said no choice.
That's the longest answer I ever had. Because she's here and she's recording. Wise guy. Baba, can you stay 100 years with one partner? Yes. Baba, can you stay 100 years with one partner? I love long answers, you know. Baba, can you... Happily. Nice. You gave me goosebumps, huh? Alright, now today he's using the brush with different colors, creating a masterpiece. I want you to use your imagination. Look at the painting and tell me, what do you see? What does it look like? What do you think? Does it look like a tree, a house? A bird, I like it. That's nice. What else? You're saying this look like me? Very nice. DJ, they told me that you have an amazing taste for art, right?
Of course, I'm an artist, bro.
What can you see?
It's a fruit. Simple. And this is my favorite dessert.
Sometimes they pose. So don't get upset of male humans, right? Even the birds, they pose. She's so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
After.
Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause.
What to do?
Because I don't know where's the face. All right, thank you, John. Lovely. All right, now I want one of the adults to come and join. Just relax a bit. This is good for you. This is good.
Okay, we'll get the biggest one.
Wait. Okay, put them on. 500 is good. This is the first person who actually offered everything.
Yeah.
This is nice. Okay, I'm glad I chose you. Chenzi, hold this in your hand like that. All right? Lovely. Stretch your arm. Now, this bird had been trained by 2 genius people. Me and DJ. Alibaba. Alibaba is a special bird. He comes, he walks, he takes the 500, and he never come back.
Excuse me, why you never come back, brother?
This is how we collect our salary.
What?
Don't worry. You didn't take video? You didn't prepare the camera. Please prepare the camera. Give me.
One more?
Let's make it 150 this time, you know, for the sake of the game. Alright. You didn't take mama video? Take another video. Every video is more expensive than the other one. Don't move your hand. Hey, mama, come on, big boy. Take the money. Anyone wants to take more video?
We have now 650, bro.
This is the coldest guy I ever seen. Alright. Who think we should give him the 650 back? Raise your hands. Perfect. Please don't feel shy. Come and pay him.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna give you the money back, right? So open your hand like this. Now once he come, put the money, close your hand, alright? Here we go. Come on, big boy.
Excuse me, bro.
Close your
What is
hand.
this? Where is the money, bro?
What is this? Did you? Did you?
No.
Pictures are not for free. Thank you for your donation. No, keep your hand open. Hey buddy, bring back the money. Hopefully you will be able to hold the 650. Let's see. Alright, you got it. Close your hand, grab the money. Very nice. Check. It's it. I don't trust the boy. Check. Very nice. Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. Awesome. Thank you. Cool. What happened? Don't worry, welcome to the family. I used to learn that class. Ma'am, give me a number between 1 and 10. 8. That's cool. Alright, another number from 1 to 10.
The bird is a boy. Yeah.
Gentlemen. Alright,
Yeah.
DJ,
Yes.
do you like math?
It's my favorite subject, bro.
Seriously?
Yes.
So, but this one very easy. It's like for kids, right?
Yeah.
8 plus 7.
87. See?
DJ,
Yeah,
you go to the same school?
This is my classmate.
15. Alright, let's see who's right. Come on, big boy.
What is the first number?
Number 1.
1.
We still have one more.
It
Come
should
on,
be
big boy.
87.
In your dreams, it's gonna be 87.
What is that?
It's number 15, everybody. Let's give it a big round. Super awesome. See what happened when you don't sell popcorn? Alright, now who like magic?
Georgie.
Alright, the game is very easy and simple. We all know it. The ball and the cup. What is going to happen, I will shuffle. If you figure out where is the ball, I will give you a prize.
Ta-da!
What is it?
Empty box.
Never invite this guy to your birthday, trust me. Okay, are you ready? Haha, what? I couldn't hear you. Are you ready? Yeah! Lovely. 1, 2, 3, and what is it?
On the right.
Okay, who say the ball is here? Raise your hands. No.
Wow.
No.
They are good.
Round 2. Eyes on the cup. 1, 2, 3, and this one's going to be a bit complicated. What is it?
Right. Yeah.
Who say here?
Yeah.
Fatme?
Wow!
Alright, wait a minute. This is not it. This is the real one, okay? This is only training. Let me see how good you are. 1, 2, and let's go. Come on.
Hey, faster, bro. And how about some juggling? Come
You
on.
want some juggling, DJ?
Yes.
Boom. You know what, DJ?
Yeah.
When I was at school, I was the best magician ever. Nobody could have figured out where is the ball. What? No ball? No ball? Wait. Let's be clear. Who say no ball? Raise your hand. What is this? Alright, I'll do it one more time. The bird will fly. Don't tell him where. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone, let's cheer on. Wait.
Come on.
I love the boy. He walks like Charlie Chaplin. Whoa!
Excuse me, what you said? What?
You found it.
You have him.
Wait a minute. You think I was cheating?
Yes, you are. Let's do it one more time.
Come. I'm gonna prove something for you. All right. This time you'll be doing the mixing. Come on this side. What's your name? Santa?
Santa Claus.
Santos, come on this side. All right. Look what the ball and the cup. All right. This one are empty. Now what I want from you, I want you to mix. Are you ready? 1, 2, mix. All right.
Wow.
Take your time. Very nice.
Be sure
Very nice.
the ball is not in the same
Whenever
place.
you're ready, yeah? Done? Alright, Santos, thank you so much. Take your seat. Lovely. Now I have no idea where's the ball, alright? You did the mixing. Check this out. Go, big boy.
Let's talk about the real magic.
Whoa!
Woo!
Man, how he do this thing?
He's a magician just like him.
Do you want to know how he did this trick? Who wants to know? If I tell you tomorrow I'll be jobless.
Fastest flying birds in the world that can reach up to the speed of 280 kilometers per hour, the national birds of UAE, the peregrine falcon.
Now these birds, they can hunt from the air. Look at that. Throwing the food and catching it. Ooh, fantastic! They have an incredible eyesight and they can see from far distance. Remember, there is a difference between a falcon and a hawk, which is the shape of the beak, the shape of the wings, and the way they hunt. Hawks, they hunt from the air. Falcons, they hunt from the ground. You can take a picture after the show, same like trainer Merle is showing you. Put this in your hand, the birds will fly, land down, and you will have click click 2 copies, soft and hard. Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Big Boy. Fantastic. Now the only difference between the boy and the girl is by the size. The female are always bigger in size. Whenever they give birth, the male always eat their babies. The female are bigger to protect her little ones. Let's give trainer Dodo a big round of applause. Thank you, Yuji. One more. If you are afraid, put your head down. If not, put your hands in the air. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yalla! Pew, 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 pew. My friends, these are called the Sankhamiya's Asafir Shamis. You can spend 10 minutes with them. You can feed them, take pictures, take videos. Same like trainer Merle is showing you seeds in the hand, they were flying in it. Or you can take a picture with the macaw and the parrots. Feeding the birds will be for 25 dirham. Picture with the birds will be for 50 dirham. You can buy one and you can share it with your family. Thank you for joining us. I really enjoyed your MC Elias.
DJ Cass.
Thank you for joining us. Bye bye. Salam.
Please don't forget your belongings while you are leaving, alright? Exit slowly, watch your steps, enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye for now.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Damn.